Alright, in this tutorial I want to talk about SmartWhois. It's a basic tool. You basically can find it right from a Google search, and you could do cybrary.it. Okay, in this case you can see some privacy settings set. Okay, but you can see technical context, you can see Ralph Sita, you can see API.net, and you can see the name server specifically and what they are. You would document them if you were doing any. You would document any of the results here in terms of the major information: registrant, admin contact, technical contacts, registrar, or the name servers. This is all public information on any target. Okay, and so you can evaluate this information in its fullest capacity. So that's SmartWhois. Thank you for watching Cybrary IT. My name is Leo Dreger.